Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the hallucinogens. The hallucinogen includes certain drugs of abuse that is known as psychedelic drugs like LSD, marijuana, mescaline, and psilocybin. These drugs have a strong effect on the cerebellum and sense organ and take the user to the world of the fantasy, giving him false and temporary happiness. And hallucination can alter a person's thought. Hallucination क्या करता है, पर्सन की थॉट्स को अल्टर करता है, उसकी फीलिंग्स एंड परसेप्शंस को अल्टर करता है. Now the LSD it means lysergic acid diethylamide is one of the most dangerous hallucinogens of the modern time, synthesized from the lysergic acid, and that is lysergic acid is produced by the ergot fungus, and the scientific name of ergot fungus is the Claviceps purpurea. That is the parasites on the cereal grains such as rye. The initial reactions of LSD may include weakness, dizziness, and nausea. These symptoms are followed by the distortion of time and space. Now, the flowered tops, leaves, and the resins of Indian hemp, that is known as cannabis sativa, bhang, marijuana, and ganja, hashish, church, etc., are the example of cannabinoids. And the active ingredients in marijuana is the THC, that is known as tetrahydral cannabinols, which is cannabinols, and the THC is highest in the preparation that is called hashish or hush. Hashish or hush, which is the concentrated resinous exudate collected from the marijuana plants, and hashish get its name because it was used by Hashashin, a group of terrorists. Now the marijuana smoke is the powerful lung irritants, and the regular use of this can cause bronchitis, and it temporarily reduce sperm production and may cause the production of abnormal sperm. And the marijuana produce hallucinations, forgetfulness, and reduce the mental agility. And the other well-known plants with the hallucinogen properties are atropa, belladonna, and dhatura. Now the next topic is the effects of drug abuse. Variety of drugs have been used to enhance the performance by the sport person, and बहुत से स्पोर्ट पर्सन क्या करते हैं, मिसयूज़ भी करते हैं कि दे मिसयूज़ नार्कोटिक analgesic, anabolic steroids, and diuretic and certain hormones in the sport to increase muscles strength and to promote aggressiveness, and as a result increase the athlete performance. Now the side effect of the use of anabolic steroids are in female are masculinizations. It means कि feature like male and increase the aggressiveness. बहुत ज़्यादा अगर यूज़ करते हैं तो क्या होगा, फीमेल में जो है एग्रेसिवनेस इंक्रीज़ करेगा, मूड स्विंग होना है, देन डिप्रेशन कॉज करेगा, एबनॉर्मल मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल्स एंड एक्सेसिव हेयर ग्रोथ. excessive hair growth on the face and body, and the enlargement of clitoris, depending of the voice. Etc. In the male, it include acne, aggressiveness, increased aggressiveness, mood swings, and the depression, and reduction in the size of the testicles, and oligospermia. Oligospermia, it means que decrease the sperm production, potential for kidney and liver dysfunctions, breast enlargement, premature baldness, enlargement of prostate glands, etc. And these effects may be permanent with the prolonged use. And in the adolescent male or female, severe facial and body acne and premature closure of growth center of the long bones may result in the stunted growth. And now the last topic of this chapter is the additional information. Now, reserpine. Reserpine is alkaloid obtained from the roots of Rauwolfia serpentina plants, and this plant belongs to the family Apocynaceae. Reserpine is used for the treatment of blood pressure, snake bite, and mental disorder. And the next drug is the drug belladonna. Is extracted from the dry leaves and root of the Atropa belladonna plants, and this plant is belong to the family Solanaceae. And the belladonna is a narcotic, diuretic, and antispasmodic. And the belladonna leaf contain atropine, that is used in the dilate pupil of the eyes.